Hello everybody, my name is Yudy. This is my Seagate FreePlay 1 TB, bought in 2011. Lately the temperature is slightly higher than normal, up to 54 Celsius. Since the casing is airtight and no visible ventilation whatsoever, I decided to open it and put it in another case if possible. I couldn't find any YouTube video regarding how to open this drive, so I have to try to do it by myself. Starting with prying at the back, because there is a small opening there when you slip a prying tool. It's a bit tricky because it's quite hard and you can use too much force or it will break. The trick is to thread it slowly, step by step. Once you have an opening, start from there and move your prying tool so you will create a wider opening and so on. When you create enough opening, there will be a loud click sound as the cover interlocked by some kind of clamp. As you can see right now, I've managed to open most of the panel except for the front panel. Later in this video I will show you the much easier way to do it, but right now we're stuck with the hard way. I was thinking maybe we should slide it to front or to the side or something, because I didn't know that there are two screwdrivers at the front, but at that time I didn't know, so maybe a bit hasty in this case, so I just slide it open because yeah, I should figure out that there are two screws at the front panel. Okay, I managed to get this drive to the outside of the casing, and there are 4 rubber damper, and apparently there are some sort of aluminum plate with 4 screwdriver, and that's a micro USB 3, I guess, with the rubber in the port. This is a very thick drive, as you can see, as you already know that for the 2.5-inch hard drive for laptops, usually we have a 7mm thick and 9mm, and this one I think it's double the size, maybe 14 or 18mm, I don't know. Now I tried to open the screw, but I think that one is a bit hard, very hard maybe. I tried to use the bigger screwdriver, but it won't fit. I tried a small one, but it's a bit slippery, and then yeah, I used the first one to begin with, and yeah, finally I can do it. And this is the last screw. But aside from the 4 screwdriver, I think this aluminum plate is also clamped somehow to the drive itself. Okay, let's take off the rubber first. Yeah, I think there are one at the back. Oh, there are 1 rubber damper. It's a bit hard, but I think it's only a glue. Yes, we can take it off. Okay, I think I thought there are maybe hidden screwdriver, but no, it's just a clamp, 2 clamps. Yeah, it's a bit narrow for my prying tool, so I have to use the cutter because it's much thinner and you can slide easily. That 1 clamp is already open. Now this side, I think it's a bit hard, or there are 2 clamps in this one, because one is at the front and one is just above the micro USB port. See, that 1 clamp is already open, but the last one is still attaching. The one at the top of the micro USB port. I think yes, I can manage to do it finally. I think it was a bit broken, but I don't care. I just want to take the drive out and put it in another case, at least the one with the good ventilation, because this one is clearly this one has no ventilation at all. See, 14 millimeters, very thick drive. Okay, the drive is already out from the case. Now let's see what a dumb mistake that I've made. There are 2 screwdrivers inside the rubber case, and if I open it in the first place, it was very easy to open this case, I guess, but I didn't know. The first screwdriver already off, now the second one. Nah, it's very easy to open it actually, but I didn't know at the first. Okay, now the drive is already green, the temperature, it's normal, about 38 Celsius. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.